Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone. So, Spotify Premium has tons of benefits. You can download songs, skip tracks, listen without ads, and more. If you open Spotify on your mobile device and then tap on Premium at the bottom, you'll see different plans, but it says you cannot upgrade inside the app. That's because Apple does not allow in-app purchases for Spotify subscription. Here's how you can do it. Head back to your home screen, open up your browser. Inside in the search bar, search for spotify.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the settings like icon and now tap on premium. And just like that inside here, you'll be able to see view all plans. Tap onto it and now choose a plan that works for you. After that, select your payment method, for example, credit or debit card, then enter your details and then tap on complete purchases at the bottom. And that's it. That is simply how you can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone using your browser. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.